Hey guys, welcome to the Nairobi Natural channel. My name is Nawekulo, and in today's video I want to take you through the process I went through installing these Marley braids. This was my first time using these extensions, but when I tell you I am in love with the outcome. There were a bit of hiccups here and there, but I will tell you all about them in this video. If you'd like to see how I achieved this style, keep on watching. Before we get started, let me tell you about the necessary materials. So, firstly, you'll need the client in question. In this case, that's me. I have freshly washed hair. It's moisturized, it's stretched, and it is ready for styling. You will also need some crocodile clips because you'll be working in sections, a rat tail comb to section everything, a gel, some kind of styling gel. For me, I used the Shine and Jam gel, but you can use whatever gel you're comfortable using, and the specific Marley hair that you're gonna be using. So I bought 2 packs of the Marley hair because there was some remainder from a different time when my sister had used the same braids in her hair, and so I just assumed that the 2 that I bought, including the 2 that I bought plus the extra one that my sister had, would be enough for my hair. I was to find out that I greatly underestimated how much I would need, but I will tell you all about it in the video. Starting out, I was using 3 or 4 individual extensions for the twists, although as I moved more towards the front part of my head, I started to work with 2 individual extensions. I applied gel onto the hair strand before starting to braid at the bottom, just like you would with box braids, and then towards the end of my hair strand, I started to twist it up. I was doing this so that the twists were more secure in my hair. This is my preferred method. Even when I'm working with Afro kinky hair, I usually braid the base before twisting. I unfortunately have had the experience of twists falling out of my hair, so just to be safe, I braid the base. When I came to the front part of my head, I started working with 2 strands instead of the 3 or the 4, partly because I didn't want too much weight on my edges, but also because I noticed that my extensions were diminishing at a faster rate than I had initially anticipated. It was at this moment that it became clear that I might have to purchase more extensions. As suspected, I did actually need to get more extensions. Luckily, the vendor that had originally sold me the first 2 packs had some available, and so I was able to purchase 2 more packs, and they came in time for me to do everything to be done with the installation in one day. Once I had them and soaked them, I resumed with the process of installing them. And there you have it, guys. I'm done. Also, I thought, this is the point at which the second hiccup came in. As I was moisturizing my hair, I think maybe 2 or 3 days after the installation, I noticed that the hair was a bit too bulky. It was a bit too bulky for my liking. And so I decided, you know what? Let's just change this style. Actually, there's no need for this hair to stress me. So I decided to change the twists into braids. And so I went in and individually redid the hair. So then I would undo the twist and then I would braid it up instead. And that's now what you're watching me do. You're watching me undo my braids and twist it up. Undo my twists and braid it up. And I did that for my whole head. Guys, it was unexpected. I didn't foresee it happening this way, but then again, this was my first time doing it, so it wasn't really smart of me to have expectations because it was my first time doing it. I will definitely be using these extensions again. I want to experiment and to find different ways of styling the extensions. I don't know, what you guys think? Do you guys prefer the twists or the braids? Let me know down in the comments which ones you prefer of the two. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. And until next time, see ya!